Hey crypto warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review a crypto project or a crypto wallet. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I am not a financial advisor, so let's start. Alright, in this video, I will discuss about this project that its potential or not like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable times. Now, as you can see, their website interface in my screen now. As the project or the wallet name is Shorted Wallet. So what is Shorted? First of all, it's amazing and you can use it in your button. If you have any smartphone, so obviously you can use Shorted Wallet in button phone. Like literally, yeah, it's true. The future is here, guys, and Shorted Wallet did it. Literally, it's amazing. The crypto super app for in-bridging markets, now available for 400 million plus feature for users is in-bridging markets. Download now, explore iOS devices. So literally right now it's I think available on iOS devices. Like here we can see and you can use it or download it from their iOS, and here you can see their information, and from iOS devices you can use it. It's literally amazing. And where you can send and receive Bitcoin, USDT, USDC and Matic with the Shorted Wallet. Simply register using with your email or phone number. Please note USDC, USD, also their Matic are on Polygon network for the lowest gas fees transfer. Literally, it's amazing features. Like personally I like it, guys. Shorted Wallet in numbers. It's available on 64 countries, and here you can see the download size March 2023, which is 400,000. Like literally, it's amazing. Like 40,000 plus download from sites March 2023. Total addressable market, which is this is a 400 million plus, cause in the world, in the whole world, like the mobile using users, which is 400 million plus. Like it's featured on like our Venio Finance, PSR, and the Techable. What is Shorted Wallet? The all-in-one crypto solution of onboarding 160 million plus feature for users to the Web3 space by offering seamless access of cryptocurrencies in emerging markets. They have a wallet where you can create a large microfinance, staking, and the messaging. You will get everything in this Shorted Wallet. How does it work? Like here, you can see the interface, like their application in the interface on their phone, like in the part of the phone. Like simply you can register for Shorted Wallet. After that, manage all your wallets and there explore all features. Like here we can see, which is absolutely amazing, right? And this is literally looks super cool. And the seamlessly store, send and receive digital assets. Like here we can see. And if you want to see that demo, so obviously you should watch this video. Supported tokens right now, they are supported USDC, USDT, Polygon, like Matic and Bitcoin. Why choose Shorted Wallet? They have accessibility, security and convenience. So obviously you will get the all introduction about it in their website, so you can read it for yourself. Now, their latest news, like feature for growth in Africa. Also introducing China, their marketing advisor, with Adam, like their strategy advisor, which is absolutely amazing. And you will get their Shorted Wallet social links like their X, Telegram, also their YouTube and their LinkedIn. And in the Explore, you will get their short toolkit, their project with their frequently questions and their download pad kit. Also, their more information like about their source. Like what is short token, which is upcoming in the future. I think it's not coming yet. Now, what is short token? Shorted Wallet token short is a utility token that powers and Shorted Wallet ecosystem, enhancing the user experience and providing a range of benefits to their community. Read white paper, and here you can see a review from this like Saha Berry from Nigeria. Like here you can see the review about Shorted. This is the utility of their token like PPL features at lower fees, stacking rewards, governance, community incentivize, also their ecosystem expansion like here we can see. The tokenomics. Here you can see their total supply of short tokens. They will something about they do also like 10% for airdrops, funding sale, team and advisors, reserve and like reserve fund, ecosystem fund, marketing, stacking yours and many more. First of all, if you are a airdropper, so obviously 10% is for their airdroppers. Literally, you can grab your airdrops by using their wallets right now. Their funding sale here you can see airdrops also the twist actually rewards exciting users to promoting community engagement during launch. Also their team advisors also here you can see the like token utilities like tokenomics. You will get more information about it here in their website. Now let's check it out their white paper. Right now here you can see the white paper in my screen now, and in the white paper you will get everything about it, like about their wallet, about their token, their team, their key partners, and many more. What you need, obviously, you should read their white paper if you need all information about this project. Now, let's check it out their X profile. Right now, they have only 745 followers. That means I reviewed this wallet or this project is in very early, and obviously you can keep your like chance, grab your chance right now if you are watching my videos there. Now here you can see the video like sending crypto on a $20 feature score. Like here you can see like the proof of like it's literally worked. Like here you can see like they are sending crypto from a Guardian phone to another wallet, which is absolutely amazing, right? And literally it's pretty cool. And the team is very active and they are working with their like to develop their products. Like here we can see they are promoting their wallet perfectly in the crypto space, which is absolutely amazing. Right now I think their token is not coming yet, but I hope so. When it's coming you should buy it, because this token or this wallet can create a hype in this market. So that's it about this project or this wallet. For more info, you can join their Telegram community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more crypto projects. Peace.